late, no shit. It's that time of the month, man. All I see is red. I'm just laying in my bed, they hoping that I'm dead. I don't wanna call it even, I'm not trying to break bread. Now they twist and turning words from the ones that I said. I just keep it going, I'm a young prodigy. All my friends and family, I know they proud of me. I'm my own designer, I ain't wearing Prodigies or even fucking Gucci. If you want me better, show it